heart attack right now. I can kill myself. Oh.
Nah.
Nah. Not yet. I have to have a heart first, right?
So we're under Kenny's truck right. Well, Kenny's under Kenny's truck right now.
Stop it. Get some help.
And I'll tell you, oh, God. Oh. So sore.
It's gonna be all right.
Oh, yeah. Last bolt.
Last bolt.
Hey, everything unplugged.
It's always the last bolt.
You sure about that?
It's going up my head, though. There it is. That's it. That's all. Now, get out of here. Oh, shit. Get out of here. I'll see if I can do this now. Okay. All right. Oh, I might be fix the leakage, too. That's it. This goes that way. Here we go. Oh. Didn't work. Didn't work good at all. There it is. That is when you have to put a strap around it. I don't have a strap around it. So I have to pull it out now. Hold on a minute.
Just pulling it.
Yeah. There it is. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, look at that.
That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Now I gotta move it forward. I gotta move it this way. Yep. Now I can move it down. Here we go. Hopefully we'll miss the else here. Make sure we're not connected anywhere. We're connected, we're ripping wires out when these tires are bad. Make sure you get those. There it is. Almost there.
Are you doing Pilates or what?
Yeah, Pilates. I should be doing Pilates.
Yeah, there you go. Now just pull it.
Yeah. It's easier said than done.
I know.
Fuck Sean at. Just gotta do Pilates himself.
There you go. Look at the accomplishment.
Junk. Alright. Like this. And there.
Is that shifter that has a sensor on it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I unplugged it, yeah. The whole thing. Yeah. That's what's programmed in my truck right there, that shift sensor. Go figure. Alright, let's help me get this up there.
Huh?
Help me lift this one up on this wheel over there.
Hey, you want to end the show with a to be continued meme?
I don't even know what that